back to my channel. So today we're gonna actually try out Rhode. I've never tried anything from them. I picked these up at Sephora. They're now available there if you didn't know that. So we're gonna try the peptic lip shape, and I picked up Balance and then the peptic lip tint in Toast. So let's start with this. I'll have the prices on the screen for you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Let me try to hold it like this, maybe. There you go. That's what it looks like. All right, so let's do a swatch on the back of my hand. And this is the shade, what did I just say? Balance. And that's it right there, so you guys can see it. So it seems like it's like a medium tone liner. So let's go in. I'm gonna roll it up a little bit and I'm gonna look down in my mirror while I do this. And that's a really pretty color. I would say it's kind of like a, can you guys see? It's a really nice color. I really like it. It went on very nicely, glided on very easily. And I think, yeah, there's a little like rubber tip on it. I guess you're supposed to use it to like blend out, but I never do that. I never blend out my lip liners. I just put them on and then I put whatever I'm gonna wear right on top. So, and it's like a rubber tip. It's, you know, really rubberized. Well, actually, you know what? Just for the video, let me show you what that would do. So I guess it's just supposed to like blend it out. So I don't honestly think it did anything. So there's that. All right, so this is the tube of the lip tint, right? That's what it is. Yeah, it's a lip tint. And like I said, it's the shade Toast. So is this going to be like when it comes off, it leaves a color on your lip? Because some products say they're lip tint and they're not. So this is what the shade looks like. It looks really dark. Ooh, I put too much. I picked this shade because I felt that it would match perfectly with the liner that I picked, the Balance. I'm trying not to squeeze too much out. It doesn't have a scent to it. I'm just gonna wipe off the lip part. I don't like to leave my products dirty. And it was really easy to squeeze it out, but just be very careful because it's so easy to squeeze, you're gonna get a lot of product out of your mouth, you know, out onto the applicator, I'm trying to say. So this is what it looks like. I got on the outside of my mouth and it doesn't have that stickiness to it, so it feels nice. I think this is a really nice lip combo. So for right now, I think it looks good. I'm just gonna wear it. It's like 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna wear it for a little bit and see how comfortable it is, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it, if it's worth picking up or not. But so far, I think it's a nice lip combination. So I will be back. Okay, everyone, so it's been about 20 minutes. I have not had anything to eat or drink. It's just the time it took me to do my hair and all that kind of thing. So let's talk about the Rhode lip shape. This is a shade Balance. Like I said before, this is $24. $24. And it comes in 11 shades. Excuse my hair. So as you can see, it's like it stained my lip. But I don't think this is worth $24, in my opinion. I feel like I have lip liners that are way better in the sense of that you put it on and it like stays there. Like it's still there, but I'm not really impressed by it. So for me, this is going back. because it's too much money, $24 for that lip liner when I have a ColourPop one that's like less than $10 that does a better job. So then the lip tint, I got the shade Toast. This is $20 and there's 7 shades total of this. And this is already off of my lips. Is it a pretty color? Yes. But for $20, I'd rather just go get, like I said, something from ColourPop or even the Sephora brand that would be better. Like, or, as a matter of fact, not Sephora, I'm thinking of Sephora's matte one. Fenty is $22. I think it's $2 more and it lasts longer. Like, this is a lip tint. And even Selena Gomez's line Rare Beauty, when you do her lip tint, like you put it on, it stays on your lips. Before it turns into that color, it lasts a little longer. This has literally been 20 minutes and it's already gone, like, you know. I mean, but the good thing about it is the color was nice. The color payoff was nice and it did feel nice on the lips and it also wasn't sticky. But for the price point, I could just get something else that I like more. So sorry to say that I will be returning both items back because I was not genuinely that impressed by it and I didn't fall in love with it. So sorry for those of you who really like this brand, but it just didn't work for me. So I will be returning them. So I hope you guys like this short video that I did and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.